Ice, ice, Puggy.
Hey guys! I finished mowing the backyard for you to play in. Now I just want to pour myself a big glass of iced tea before I leave. Oh no! Iced tea! Oh no! I can't stop thinking about delicious iced tea!
Cool.
It's more than cool, it's cold.
Doesn't matter where it is. How are we supposed to get to that Antarctica place Arf showed us on the wall? I don't know. Hey, we got a window seat! Which of this ice do you think would be best for Bob's iced tea? I don't know. Maybe we should ask those penguins that are sliding right toward us. Sliding right toward who? Yeah! Whoa! Look at them go! We're on a mission looking for ice.
Oh, well, you're talking to the right penguin. I can go find you the best ice there is.
You do that for us? You've been walking around with that thing under there? How do you do that without slipping and sliding all over the ice? It's sniffly. The weather is wintry.
But if you waddle, walk like a penguin, you'll get to where you're going.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. Waddle, waddle, waddle. What's going on?
Oh, we get storms here that blow everything around and turn everything wild.
I don't know. It could be forever. Or not forever at all. Where did Mr. Penguin go? Well, I wish we were warm and toasty. Well then, let's see what else is in this box. Yes, so we can't let it get away. It's going into that cave. And so are we. Because it wasn't. Something under that hat. Yeah, and we can see if he found Bob's ice. But wait, what if he follows our tracks and comes into this cave thinking we're here? So it's a good thing Bob put this ice drawing thing in my collar in case I ever needed to draw something on ice. I think I smiley faced too hard. I hope we're not trapped in here. Okay, go that way. But that way doesn't go the right way. Found the way out. How are we gonna get to her? This ice is all slippy and slidey. We should waddle. That's what Mr. Penguin said penguins do so they don't fall down. Nothing on me has ever gone a crack like that. It wasn't you. It was the ice cracking. We made it! Champion ice jumpers! Yeah! Oh no! Mr. Penguin!
I found the ice you were looking for. Do you have my egg?
We have something even better.
Oh, you boys did a great job watching my egg and taking care of my little girl while I went out looking for your ice.
Thanks!
Go ahead. Take all you want.
But I don't think that'll fit in Bob's glass for his iced tea. We'd love to stay here and play with you, but my brother and I have to get home as fast as we can.
How are things on the bottom of the earth?
Cold, icy, helps if you waddle.
Huh. Did you get the ice Bob needs for his iced tea?
We sure did. The best there is.
Here.
Good idea, Hissy. Fill her up.
Oh, this is gonna taste so good.
Does this mean we finished our mission? Yep. Putting it together. Watch where you step, Rolly. You don't want to fall into the boiling hot lava. Oh, be extra careful. Ow.
Hey there, puppy dog players.
It's Bob. Hey, Bob.
Who's ready for a unicycle day? I know I am. You know, where's my unicycle?
I remember the last time Bob tried to ride that unicycle.
Hey, guys, look what I just got. A unicycle.
Cool. Hey, are you okay? Where did Bob go?
Huh. What was I thinking?
But now he does want to see it again.
Maybe I can find my unicycle after I get home from work. Then I can ride it around and say, look, I'm riding a unicycle.
Me neither. So it's gonna be our mission to find out where it is. Come on, watch out for hot lava! On your bar. Let's go! Where are we gonna go to start trying to remember where we buried Bob's unicycle? We should check with KG. He sees everything out the window of the pet store where he lives.
Come help me get what I want.
Sure, I remember that day. It was the same day I got this new exercise. Well, you guys should run there real fast, like this. No! Maybe not quite so fast.
Oh, Buzz, it got away. Except that flower reminds me. It's just a metal stick. Can we take it home and play fetch with it later? No. It's kind of indestructible. But what we found isn't the right something we came here to dig up.
I remember a while back when you guys were here, you said you were on your way to the beach to bury something, but I never saw what it was.
How deep do we gotta go? As deep as it takes to finish our mission.
I dig, digging all through the sand.
Hey, Jonathan. If you remembered where we buried something, why didn't you tell us where we buried it?
Well, 'cause you never asked.
Well, we're supposed to be two dogs finding Bob's unicycle.
Well, I don't know if this helps, but that day you were here when you left, you said you were going to see another friend.
That does help, because I just remembered where we were going. Do you remember where we buried it, Bullworth?
Hey, this junkyard dog remembers everything. I got a mind like a steel trap. Well, because the mountain wasn't there until they put those plastic bottles there this morning, they're taking them away to recycle them tomorrow afternoon.
But Bob wants to ride his unicycle today. And it ain't sick of being hot and fall. Yeah, I guess you're right. A little puppy power, it's gotta do the job. That mountain doesn't look any smaller than when we started. Then there's only one thing left to do. Not a unicycle. Yeah, it's just some round thingamajig. Although it rolls pretty well for just being a thingamajig. Can we take it home to play with? I guess so, because it doesn't look like we're gonna find Bob's unicycle.
I thought you were supposed to be digging up a unicycle.
We thought so too. But all we found was a hat and a metal stick and a thingamajig.
Did you find Bob's unicycle?
No. All we dug up was this. We really wanted to find what Bob wanted, but we didn't do it.
Hey there, puppies. Oh, I've been looking forward to seeing you two all day. And look at that. You found my unicycle.
We did?
Let's see, this...
Yeah, because I just remembered something else about the day when we buried it. So we'll absolutely for sure never see them again. That's a great idea. I know we're getting rid of almost all of it, but can we keep these blocks? Yeah, they'll be perfect for when we play hot lava.
This is fun! Whoa!
We should tell Bob to look out. Look out for what? He's riding in hot lava! I'm a dog floating in the water. What are you singing about?
Those floaties I put in your collars were great. Next time we're at the beach, can't wait to tell you all about it when I get back.
Where it's a little more quiet. And you won't hear me singing out here. Singing loud. What am I supposed to be listening to? Someone was singing back to me.
And then things got really peaceful, which I liked.
The singer sounded kind of sad. Can we go find out what they're so sad about so we can help them?
One that's not so full of dogs singing.
I'm a robot dog singing a robot song.
Where did you hear that singing coming from? It was hard to tell. I guess we need to look around until we figure that out. Is this what you've been hearing? I don't think so. I thought it might be. It's sort of the same high voice, but... What? This way, Bingo! I think the singer is over here! chance. I'm never gonna pass that up. Okay, Rolly, where should we look next? I don't know. I haven't heard that singer singing for a pretty long time.
Out here looking all Bingo and Rolly.
Leave us alone, Cupcake. We're on a mission to find whoever it is my brother heard singing.
Or neither.
Rolly, do you hear that? There it is, yeah!
Cupcake! Yeah!
Have you been singing to me?
Yes, I was the one singing. Whales?
Right.
After I swam and swam, I looked around for my family, but I couldn't find them.
So we're gonna have to figure out how to get you from here to there. And if we're gonna help a whale get anywhere, we should probably swim like a whale while we're doing it. Wow! That went higher than I've ever jumped. Where'd you learn how to... Jonathan!
Well, what are you two doggies doing going splashy, splashy, splashy like a whale? Rolly and Bingo, you two be the motors and I'll be the captain.
Aye, aye, Captain. Yeah, me too. I'm ready on this side.
Good, good. Rolly, more power. Let's try to make this voyage a little less spinny. Nice. Keep going. Around this corner. Wow.
I didn't come in this way, and I don't know how I'm gonna get out this way either, because I haven't learned how to jump out of the water yet. That was something my mom was gonna teach me on this trip.
Okay, let's make this happen. I know it's a little scary, trying something. Bend your back flippers, then straighten them out. Now jump. 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump. Oh, gotta teach how to jump, jump. Yeah, you gotta learn how to jump, jump. Oh, gotta teach how to jump, jump. Yeah. Help! Hang on, Bingo. I've got to get up there. Quick.
I can get you up there quick. Hop on.
We're coming, Bingo.
That was amazing! Like you flew, but without any wings. Look at you!
Bow to the wow.
Out into where the big ocean is.
Bingo, do you hear that? I heard that for sure. I like seeing those two being so happy. Yeah, watching whales is fun.
And here's a picture I took of 2 whales jumping out of the water. You know, next time I go whale watching, I should take you guys with me.
Hissy's big day. It was nice of Bob to put this out here so we could see the outside. Yeah. Hissy? What's wrong?
Oh, then this happened. Runny the bunny stopped running.
But that was your favorite toy. We forgot to tell you. Bob put our treadmill there. You can still nap there if you want.
This no-good day just got even more no good.
Hissy?
Stay calm, Hissy. Arp will have you out in a jiffy.
I've got you, Hissy. I hope your day ends up better than it started.
Did you hear that, Rolly? Bob wants Hissy to have a better day than when it started. Today, our mission is to make sure Hissy has the best day ever. She'd love that. Down in the dumps, everybody occasionally gets a case of the grumps. Gonna fix this day, and it better than it started. Gonna fix this day,
Gonna fix this day.
and we're all gonna smile. We're all gonna smile again.
That does sound pretty nice.
And we're here. Yep, it's a place that we love, and we figured that you love it here too. You don't love it here too?
Looks like you guys want to run off and play with your friends. Huh. This seems like it might be kind of fun to crawl through.
You're a friend of Bingo and Rolly?
I'm kind of like their big sister.
Cat!
We're all chasing a cat!
That sounds like fun.
Maybe you could help me so I'm not getting so chased?
Yeah, get behind that ball.
Maybe she went that way. Come on!
So we'll go this way. Come on. But we think you'll like this place for sure.
And they let people bring pets in here to pick out what they want.
You want to play hide and seek with me and Rolly?
I don't know. I think I've...
Not it! Not it!
Like however many minutes I spend taking a good long nap.
I found a good one, too. Yeah, that one's pretty good.
I wonder how much this bed is.
Your owner is gonna be so happy to see you and take you home to the Python farm that...
I think maybe Hissy can't find us. How can she? I'm like invisible in here. Let's go see where she is. What are you doing in there?
Thinking about life on the farm with all those pythons?
What? It's dry up front.
Then I'm going up front. Excellent view. Nothing but the sounds of nature.
Seeing the trees, the flowers, the Hissy stuck on the tracks. Yeah. Help! And hurry! We're gonna have to do this together.
I'm ready to go home now.
I guess this day didn't end up like we wanted it to for Hissy.
Except, I mean, it wasn't all bad. I found out I could run faster than those dogs at the park.
That waked me up.
And when I was on the roof of that train, I felt like I was queen of the world up there, which made me feel kind of special.
You are special. Yeah, you're our kitty big sister.
Hissy, I know you had a bad morning, but this'll cheer you up. I fixed your toy at work to make it...
Which means there's no way you can catch it before I do.